we're going to cover how to reset your Facebook login details on the login page. Okay, so particularly for those of you who don't have access to your Facebook account at all. Why? For those of you who already have access to your Facebook account, maybe on the app or on your browser, but the only thing is that you can't remember your password and you need to log in somewhere else. So kindly visit the description section of this video. We're going to provide the link that will show you how to reset your Facebook password within the app. That is when you're logged in already. But this one covers when you're not logged in at all. All right, so let's jump right straight into this video. But don't forget, make sure you like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this.
So you open your mobile browser. It could be Google Chrome or Safari. Then you're going to open a new tab. So we visit facebook.com. Another option is to use your mobile app. You could also use your mobile app. It's still the same interface of what you're going to find here. So if you can't remember your password, the next thing you do is to click on forgotten password. So once you click on forgotten password, you could first of all find your account. So you input the email address or mobile phone number connected to that Facebook account, or you could input your full name exactly as it is on your Facebook profile. Sometimes you'll see a button to specifically switch to search with your mobile number or your email address. So you could use any of your contact details here. So after inputting your contact details linked to your Facebook account that you don't have the password, you click on continue. Okay, so you see, you're going to get an OTP. Once you get this OTP, you input this OTP here. There are different methods. In some cases, they might ask you to click on a link that they've sent to your email address or your phone number. All right, then you reset your password. You follow the on-screen instruction to regain access to your Facebook account. So if any of this option doesn't work, you try another way. Or let's say if you use the email address the first time, you try using your phone number. If that doesn't work, you try using your full name on Facebook. Okay, so you could also click on try another way to explore other options you can use to log in. Okay. So sometimes you're going to find, get a WhatsApp code, get an SMS code, or maybe if you have multiple email address or multiple phone numbers connected to that Facebook account, you're going to find them listed in this particular page. All right. And you also have the option to enter your password just in case you want to try one more time. So you select any of these options and then you should be able to get back to your Facebook account after resetting your password successfully. So if you want to book a consultation to get expert help or one of our team members to guide you during this process, simply book a consultation or send us a message on WhatsApp. All right, guys, we'll see you in our next video and bye for now. Cheers.